Welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Brian Fagan, an attorney here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today, we're addressing an important topic for Texas parents: modifying child custody arrangements with confidence. Modifying child custody arrangements is a significant step for many parents in Texas. It can be prompted by various factors, including changes in the child's needs, a parent's relocation, or evolving family dynamics. In this video, we'll discuss key aspects of custody modification and how you can navigate the process with confidence. The first step in modifying custody is to assess the need for change. Changes in the child's best interests, such as their safety, well-being, or preference, can warrant modifications. It is crucial to recognize when change is necessary and beneficial for the child. Understanding the legal process for custody modifications is essential. Texas parents should be aware of the steps involved, such as filing modification petition, attending court hearings, and presenting evidence to support the requested change. Let's explore a real-life scenario to illustrate the importance of modifying child custody with confidence. Imagine a divorced couple with shared custody where the child's school and extracurricular activities have significantly changed. Modifying custody arrangements to accommodate these changes ensures the child's stability and growth. Legal representation is a valuable asset when modifying child custody. Experienced family law attorneys can guide you through the process, help you build a strong case to ensure that your rights and the child's best interests are protected. Mediation and collaboration can play a role in modifying custody arrangements when parents can work together to find common ground and agree on changes. It can lead to a smoother and less adversarial process. In custody modification cases, the child's voice is significant. Their preference, needs should be considered when proposed changes are occurring. This is a collaborative approach and can foster a sense of empowerment in the child. In conclusion, Texas parents can modify child custody arrangements with confidence by understanding the process, seeking legal guidance, and prioritizing the child's best interest. Custody modifications is a significant step towards ensuring the child's well-being and stability. You're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Brian Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have any questions or need legal assistance related to child custody modification, family law matters, or any other legal concerns, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.